Very good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Adesh with my subject accountancy. Chapter 7 topic Chapter 7, that is origin of transactions, source documents and preparations of vouchers. Up to the date or up to the lecture, we cover the source documents. What are the source documents are there in a business related to the business transactions, and vouchers and the type of vouchers. There were two type of vouchers are there. In last class we discussed the source voucher or source document or supporting voucher. It is a first type of vouchers. The different names are given in your book. And the second is accounting voucher. So today we are going to learn to understand the topic accounting vouchers. So what is it? What the type of accounting vouchers? How the format is prepared? Features of accounting vouchers? So these things we will cover in today class. Okay students. So before starting our topic, so I hope you all are fine at your home. Be safe, be healthy and keep safe to yourself. Okay, so students, we having the topic accounting voucher. So first of all, what are the accounting vouchers? So accounting vouchers is that document which is recording in the books of accounts of a business. Those transactions are recorded in cash as well as related to the sales of goods or purchase of goods. Is it clear? The transactions are related to cash and related to the goods. Whenever we are selling those goods and whenever we are purchasing, and whenever we are receiving cash or whenever we are paying cash. So related to these two things we have to remember. So those transactions are recorded in a counting voucher. Okay, so these transactions we have to remember. These transactions comes under the accounting vouchers. So accounting voucher is a document which is prepared for the analyzations and determinations of accounts, which account will debit and which account will credit. Have you clear? Accounting vouchers is that document which is analyze and determine the accounts, which account will debit and which account will credit. So we will show that thing in the accounting voucher. So according to the definition, an accountant has source voucher for recording in the books of account and source voucher these source vouchers are analyzed to determine which account or accounts are to be debited and credited. Okay, so the decision is recorded on a document. That term is accounting voucher. स्टूडेंट, इट इज़ क्लियर टू यू ऑल? जो भी हमारा अकाउंटेंट होता है, हमारे उसके पास जो उसके सोर्स वाउचर्स होते हैं रिलेटेड टू द ट्रांजेक्शन व्हेन ही इज रिकॉर्डिंग इन द बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट, सो दीज सोर्स वाउचर्स आर एनालाइज्ड टू डिटरमाइन which account will debit or credit. ओके, अकाउंटेंट ये एनालाइज करता है अकॉर्डिंग टू द सोर्स वाउचर कि कौन सा अकाउंट हमारा डेबिट होगा और कौन सा अकाउंट क्रेडिट होगा. जब इनको ये सोर्स वाउचर के बेसिस पर जब एक अकाउंटेंट अपनी बुक्स में रिकॉर्ड करता है, जो उसका डिसीजंस होता है रिकॉर्डिंग करने के लिए, so that document on which the account is debited or credited, so that document is termed accounting voucher. Is it clear? जिस डॉक्यूमेंट पर वो अकाउंट को डेबिट करता है और क्रेडिट करता है अकॉर्डिंग टू द वाउचर्स, सो दैट इज द अकाउंटिंग वाउचर. ओके, so now after this we have some features of accounting vouchers. Features of accounting voucher. So student, according to the definitions we can write all the features of a particular thing. If we having the definition of a particular term, so then the features can be taken from that particular definition. So first of all, it is a document, so it is a written document. फर्स्ट फीचर वी हैव डन, रिटर्न डॉक्यूमेंट होता है जिस डॉक्यूमेंट के ऊपर हम अकाउंट को डेबिट या क्रेडिट करते हैं, सो दैट इज इट इज़ अ रिटर्न डॉक्यूमेंट. सेकेंड, it is prepared for the evidences of the transaction. So it is prepared on the basis of एविडेंस. एविडेंस मीन्स सोर्स वाउचर. जो सोर्स वाउचर होता है अकाउंटेंट के पास, उसके बेसिस पर जो ये एनालाइज करता है, उसको रिकॉर्ड करता है. बेसिस ऑफ एविडेंस ऑफ द transaction. Third one, it is analyze the transaction. Okay, analyzation is also there. Second is related to the source voucher, third is related to the analyzation. So it is an analysis of a transaction. Three features we have taken from the definition. First one is it is related to the written document. Second one, it is a source vouchers, which account will debit and which account will credit, and this source voucher is an work as a evidence. Okay, and then the transaction is analyzes on the basis of the source voucher. What is the source voucher having in the business or with the accountant? Fourth one, it is prepared and signed usually by an, किसके द्वारा बनाया जाता है? Accountant. It is prepared and signed usually by an accountant and countersigned by the authorized signatory. Basically, it is prepared by the accountant and the authorities are there who signed on it. That's why the accounting voucher is determined. Okay, and the next one is, that is fifth feature of this. If in the case of cash or bank voucher, it is a receipt. Okay, if it is related to the cash transaction, so then it is a receipt. Okay, receipt we are giving to the other when we paying to outsider, and then we are receiving, so then we receive the receipt. So these are the features of accounting vouchers. First one is it is written document and it is prepared on the basis of evidence. Transaction means source vouchers. Evidence are source voucher. Prepare on the basis of evidences, that is source voucher. Next one is it is an analysis of transactions. So transactions are analyzed, which account will debit and which account will credit, and basically it is prepared by the accountant and the authorized signatories are also there. उसके ऊपर जो ऑथोरिटीज़ होती हैं वो ऑथोरिटीज़ अपने सिग्नेचर भी करती हैं जो हमारे सोर्स वाउचर्स होते हैं या अकाउंटिंग वाउचर्स होते हैं. इन केस ऑफ कैश वाउचर, सो इट इज़ अ रिसिप्ट. इसके लिए एक रिसिप्ट होती है, जो भी हमारी कैश पेमेंट या कैश रिसीव होता है तो उसके लिए कैश मेमो इज प्रिपेयर्ड. Okay, so these are the features. Now we having the types of accounting vouchers. Now the types of accounting voucher. So basically accounting vouchers are of two type. So the types are, first one is according to this we can classify, according to this we can क्लासीफाई इनटू द टाइप्स ऑफ अकाउंटिंग वाउचर. सो यहाँ पर इन्होंने क्या कहा, इन द केस ऑफ कैश वाउचर, तो इट मीन्स ये वाले ट्रांजेक्शन किससे रिलेटेड होंगी, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ नॉन कैश. तो इट मीन्स देर आर टू टाइप ऑफ अकाउंटिंग वाउचर्स. फर्स्ट वन इज कैश वाउचर्स और सेकेंड वन इज नॉन कैश वाउचर और ट्रांसफर वाउचर्स. सो फर्स्ट वन इज कैश वाउचर. And second one is non cash vouchers, and another other name is transfer vouchers. Okay, again, if we're talking about the cash vouchers, so what are these? So if first one is cash voucher, cash vouchers are cash vouchers are maybe of two type, will be of two type. How? First thing is this, cash may be paid and cash may be received. So there are two situations related to the cash. So sometimes cash is paid and sometimes cash is received. So according to these two things, the cash voucher is also classified. So first of all, what are the cash vouchers? We have to learn this thing. What is the cash voucher? So cash voucher refer to voucher prepared at the time of receipt or payment of cash. Is it clear? Cash voucher is prepared at that time when we are receiving cash or paying cash or doing the payment by cash or through by check. Okay, these two situation or condition will count as a in cash voucher. Okay, so now cash voucher refers to the voucher prepared at the time of receipt or payment of cash. Receipt if we sell the goods, then we are receiving, and payment when we are purchasing the goods in cash, so that will be the payment. So receiving or payment of cash and includes receipt and payment through checks. Okay, so चेक के थ्रू उसका पेमेंट हो या रिसिप्ट हो, या कैश में उसका पेमेंट हो या रिसिप्ट हो, सो दैट विल बी अ कैश वाउचर. So cash voucher is also of two type. First, that is credit voucher. and second is debit voucher. So first we will define the credit voucher. Credit voucher says credit vouchers are related to when we receive cash from the other. Okay, when we receive cash from the outsider. अगर हमने कैश किसी से रिसीव किया तो व्हाट द जनरल एंट्री विल पास कैश अकाउंट डेबिट एंड टू that person from whom we are receiving cash. So cash account debit to that person from whom we are receiving cash. Okay, so that's why we call it is credit voucher. So that person we are doing credit when we are receiving cash from the other persons. कैश किसके अगेंस्ट में हो सकता है? कैश सेल्स हो सकती है, एसेट्स कोई हमने सेल की है, किसी भी हमने डेटर से अमाउंट रिसीव किया है, इन्वेस्टमेंट्स को हमने सेल किया है, या कोई भी हमने अमाउंट विड्रॉल किया है बैंक से. सो दीज आर द सिचुएशन इन विच वी रिसीव कैश इन आवर बिजनेस. ओके, सो क्रेडिट वाउचर are prepared when cash is received. जब हम कैश रिसीव कर रहे हैं. ओके, और ये किसी भी चीज़ के अगेंस्ट में हो सकता है. हमने गुड सोल्ड किए हैं, एसेट सेल की है, किसी भी डेटर से रिसीव कर रहे हैं, बैंक से विड्रॉल किया है, एनी ऑफ द सिचुएशन में भी देयर. एंड द फॉर्मेट ऑफ क्रेडिट वाउचर इज that is too important for us because in next classes or in numerical form we have to prepare the vouchers. Okay, so that's why it is need to understand the format of credit voucher. So the credit voucher format is this. Basically, what is this? This is the format of credit voucher when we receiving cash. So at the top we write a credit voucher and the company name. Okay, which company is preparing this credit voucher? So that company name is at the top. Here voucher number, which number is this? At the right side it is the date, on which date it is prepared. Next one is credit, against which we are receiving cash. So that account will credit over here. कैश सेल की है तो यहाँ पे सेल्स अकाउंट आएगा. एसेट सेल किए हैं तो एसेट्स यहाँ पर आएगा. डेटर से रिसीव कर रहे हैं और डेटर का नेम आएगा. बैंक से हमने कैश विड्रॉल किया है तो यहाँ पर बैंक आएगा. तो जिस भी अकाउंट से हम के बेसिस पर हम कैश रिसीव कर रहे हैं सो वो अकाउंट यहाँ पर क्रेडिट हो जाएगा. देन नरेशन, इट इज़ अ नरेशन मीन्स इट इज़ अ ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शंस ऑफ द अबव नेम for which purpose we are receiving the cash, being the goods sold for cash. That's why we are receiving. So that thing we have to mention. Here is bill number. What is the bill number? हमने कभी अगर पहले वो गुड्स सोल्ड किए थे तो उसका बिल नंबर क्या था, उस बिल के अगेंस्ट में जो हम यहाँ पर ये वाउचर प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, क्रेडिट वाउचर प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, वो क्रेडिट वाउचर यहाँ पर मेंशन होगा. सो वो बिल नंबर होगा यहाँ पर मेंशन, जिस बिल के अगेंस्ट में हम इसको रिसीव कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि पहले हम इसको बिल बना चुके होंगे जब हमने गुड्स को सोल्ड किया होगा. ओके, यहाँ पर ये अमाउंट आएगा, कितना अमाउंट हम कितने अमाउंट से इस अकाउंट को क्रेडिट कर रहे हैं. देन यहाँ पर टोटल अमाउंट आ जाएगा और यहाँ पर जो साइन आएंगे वो उस पर्सन के आएंगे हु इज़ प्रिपेयरिंग द वाउचर. जो बना रहा है उसके सिग्नेचर यहाँ पर आएंगे एंड द ऑथोरिटी सिग्नेचर विल्स कम्स इन दिस साइड. Okay, so it will be the credit voucher. Okay, so student, now we having the debit voucher. So let's see, if credit voucher is prepared when receiving cash, so debit voucher should be prepared when we payment is made. Okay, so debit voucher are prepared when payment is made. ओके, कोई एक्सपेंसेस हम पेड कर रहे हैं, कोई गुड्स परचेज कर रहे हैं, एसेट्स परचेज कर रहे हैं, बैंक में डिपॉजिट कर रहे हैं, क्रेडिटर को पेमेंट कर रहे हैं. सो डिफरेंट मेथड्स में बी देयर. ओके, सो दैट विल बी debit voucher, and account is debited against which we are paying the amount. So here we also to see the format of debit voucher, as we have learned the credit voucher format. So let's see the student format of debit voucher. Student, we having debit voucher format. At the top we have to write the debit voucher, the company name, which company is preparing this debit voucher. Okay, that company name, and here is voucher number, which is the number of this voucher, and the date at the right top. And now debit that account against which we are paying the amount. ओके, जिस अकाउंट के बेसिस पर हम अमाउंट पेड कर रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल परचेज अकाउंट, इट मीन्स वी आर परचेजिंग गुड्स इन कैश. सो अमाउंट वी हैव टू मेंशन हियर, कितने अमाउंट्स के हमने गुड्स परचेज किए, दैट अमाउंट. देन नरेशन. ओके, it is a brief descriptions of the transactions, what the transaction we are passing, so that narration we have to mention. That is cash memo. Cash memo means क्योंकि हम पेमेंट कर रहे हैं तो कैश परचेज कर रहे हैं, और राइट नाउ हम कैश परचेज के अगेंस्ट में हम एक कैश मेमो प्रिपेयर करेंगे. लेकिन जब हम गुड्स परचेज सेल्स करते हैं तो वहाँ पे हमें बिल बनाना होता है. ओके, सो हियर इज़ अ कैश मेमो नंबर वी हैव टू मेंशन, एंड देन वी विल टोटल द अमाउंट different if there here only one account is debited. If there are many accounts are debited, so then the amount will be more than one. So then we have to total here, and the signature of that person who is preparing the debit voucher, and the signature of the authority person, and then received rupees. Okay, received rupees. Sometimes हमने किसी से उधार लिया होता है, so that is the received rupees, what the rupees we are paying total, that in words we have to mention here. Then affix revenue stamp. ओके, वो रिवेन्यू स्टैम्प हमें यहाँ पे फिक्स करना है. एक हमारा रिवेन्यू स्टैम्प होता है, वो रिवेन्यू स्टैम्प, एंड देन द सिग्नेचर of that person who is preparing this debit voucher. Is it clear? So this is the debit voucher. Here is the difference in credit voucher and the debit voucher. This part is not in credit voucher, and here is only credit, not the debit. Okay, और ये हमारा पेमेंट करने के लिए बनाया जाता है, और क्रेडिट वाउचर हमारा अमाउंट रिसीव करने के लिए बनाया जाता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, both the type of voucher we have learned, credit voucher and debit voucher. So next one is non cash voucher or transfer voucher. So students, let's see the non cash voucher and transfer voucher. This is the second type of accounting voucher. So non cash vouchers or transfer vouchers. Basically, if in cash voucher we record those transactions which are related to cash, if we are paying cash or if we are receiving cash. So in non-cash voucher, so transactions should be related to the credit. Okay, those credit transactions we are doing, or we are doing non-cash transactions in our business. So when it is prepared it. Okay, so non-cash vouchers are the vouchers prepared for ट्रांजेक्शन नॉट इन्वॉल्व कैश, जो ट्रांजेक्शन कैश को इन्वॉल्व नहीं करती. अब इसके फॉर्मेट की बात करते हैं. यहाँ पर हमने डिफरेंट टू फॉर्मेट्स फॉर प्रिपेयर, डेबिट वाउचर एंड क्रेडिट वाउचर. हेयर ओनली वन वाउचर इज प्रिपेयर्ड. बोथ द थिंग्स आर मेंशन इन अ पर्टिकुलर नॉन कैश वाउचर. Okay, so let's see the format. Student, you can see the transfer voucher, okay, or known cash voucher. Here is company name, which company is preparing. There is voucher number, date, it is same as debit and credit voucher. Here both the things we have to mention, which account is debited and which account is credited. Both the accounts are here. For example, if we are purchasing machine from RAM, so then machine account debit and to RAM account. So machine account is debited, same amount, and RAM account is credited, same amount. Okay, now brief descriptions about the transaction and the bill number, the amount is, and then the preparer who is preparing, and then the signature of the authority. This is the transfer voucher. Okay students, so now in next class we will learn and we will solve the numerical problem related to the vouchers. Okay, thank you for today. This chapter is completed. If you have any query, then you can ask. Okay student, thank you.